Cultural understanding promotes people-to-people exchanges and contributes to a more inclusive, connected, and most importantly, sustainable ASEAN community. Dear friends, ASEAN has always been described as the melting pot of different culture, traditions, and beliefs. Almost all the countries in this region consist of dozens of ethnicities and tribes, each with distinct spoken languages and dialects, food, costumes, dances, and festivities. Yet we are said to have a shared identity. This juxtaposition demonstrates the uniqueness of ASEAN. One of the common features of ASEAN community is the shared culture of traditional